being a parent of a kid to a teenager can be tough, but also fulfilling. As kids become teens, parents have to handle new dynamics in their relationship with their child. Parents need to adjust to the teens' increasing need for independence, privacy, and freedom while still providing guidance, support, and boundaries. Communication is key in this phase as honest and open talks can build trust and understanding between parents and teens. Parents may have to tweak their parenting style to let their teens make more decisions and learn from their own mistakes. This is all while being there to give guidance and support when necessary. Being flexible, patient, and empathetic is crucial for parents as they navigate this new transition, aiming to maintain a, of course, strong and positive bond with their teenager while aiding their growth and journey into adulthood.